Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am in Hashir Yadav, I'm a student of Riyaz School, Islamabad, the Fair Camera Foundation level. So, here this is my TEDx topic on the topic of First 24 Hours by Josh Hoffman. Today, I watched this inspiring TEDx talk. This talk explains how we can quickly learn new skills by using a focused and simple method. In his speech, Josh Hoffman explained that people often believe learning a new skill takes years. However, he says the first 24 hours of focused practice and are more the most important. In just 24 hours, 20 hours, we can go from knowing nothing to become responsibly good at a skill. One of the main lessons from this TEDx talk is that is learning becomes easier when we break into small steps instead of trying to become perfect immediately. We should focus on learning the basics and practicing consistently. Josh Hoffman also talk about removing distraction. He suggests that when we learn something new, we should practice with full attention, even it is if it is only for a short time each day. Focused practice is more powerful than long hours of unfocused effort. Another important idea from the talk is that fear of failure stop may people from learning new things, but mistakes are part of the learning process. When we accept mistakes, we improve faster and gain confidence. I also like how Josh Hoffman encourages people to try new skills like playing an instrument, coding, cooking, or any hobby they always wanted to learn. His message is simple: you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. My biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is that learning is not difficult as we think. With 20 hours of focus, effort, patience, and practice, we can develop new skill and grow in life. Thank you everyone for listening. So, this is my TEDx talk on the topic of first 20 hours by Josh Hoffman. This is successfully done. So, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan, Zindabad.